Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Klaiyi hair. Everything about her will be in my description box below. As y'all can see, she is a glueless unit. She already came basically pre-cut and everything. This is definitely a cute beginner friendly unit. If you are a lover of kinky straight wigs, this would be perfect for you. Now, what I will say is, in the end, I feel like, in my personal opinion, I feel like I overplucked this wig. I could have low-key, as I'm looking back at the footage, I could have low-key kept this hairline the way it was. It looked boxy when I was, while I was recording and everything. But as I'm like steady looking at it, I could have got away with this. So if you don't want to pluck this hair, you don't have to. You can literally put this on your head and go like I just did. But of course, if you want to tame her, I am putting my Nairobi mousse down, and then I also did straighten her as well. Again, y'all could have left her right here. I could have left her right here, but I didn't. But I still made it work, y'all. So right now, this is where I messed up at. I actually plucking her. Well, right now I'm not plucking her. I'm straightening her back with that hot comb, and then I'm plucking her. You got to be mindful of how you're plucking these units as well. You don't want to overly pluck them, and now you looking like, dang, I can't even keep this wig because the hairline is scarce. So learn from my mistakes, y'all. Like I said, this is a pretty easy wig to put on. I would definitely consider this beginner friendly. And as y'all can see, y'all see that I overplucked because y'all even see at the beginning of the hairline, it's just looking too thin. So I did go in and I decided to, just create some type of illusion that I still got some hair at the front. But yeah, I think I ended up cutting part of the lace so, it didn't look too thin right there. See, I'm cutting it right there. But overall, like I said 3 minutes ago, you could have literally kept this hair at its natural state. You could have just added a little bit of Nairobi foaming mousse, straightened her out like I did, and literally put her on and go. I did end up cutting layers in her as well. I ended up putting adhesive on her, that little melting spray from Even, just to kind of like have some security in the middle of my forehead. overall, I really did like this wig. I wish I didn't overpluck this wig. I wish I didn't even go in and even touch my tweezers, y'all. But hey, you live and you learn. I love the texture of this unit. Love how easy it was to put on. Like I said, everything about this unit will be in my description box below, so y'all can check out the price point. The purchase link will be down there as well. I know y'all be like, this girl is lying at this point, but I promise y'all I'm having a wig sale. I gotta have it at least before the end of the year. Literally, I have too much hair and I definitely want to give it away. That's why I don't be doing too much of customizations with these wigs, because I want to make sure these are sellable and they're able to, y'all able to enjoy it as well. Trust me, these wigs, unless otherwise stated, are literally, I've only worn them one time, and that's only for like review purposes. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Klaiyi Hair for sending this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.